How to color puppet. Puppet show is performing arts originated from Indonesia. They developed rapidly in Java and Bali Islands. Puppet can be made from various materials. One of these is leather. Leather that is commonly used to make puppet is cow skin and buffalo skin. Generally, puppet show takes a story from Mahabharata and Ramayana epoch. One of the process of making puppet is known as nyungging or puppet coloring. In this coloring process, there are some parts, but in this video will only be explained about the coloration in the puppet body. It is a simple process. Now, let's see in the video.
Ingredient: a puppet, oil paint, watercolor, a brush, a marker. Step number 1. Prepare the puppet which will be colored. Number 2. Give white oil paint on the puppet, clothes and crow part as base color. Number 3. Paint the body of the puppet black. Black and white as a symbol of goodness. Red as a symbol of evil. Number 4. Draw square line motif on the puppet clothes. Use a marker. Number 5. Give black color on the square motif with watercolor like a chessboard. Number 6. Color the frame on the pattern starting from the light color to the dark one. Draw motif or design according to the character of the puppet. Finally, unite with other part. Okay, thank you. See you next the video.